One. Hello, everyone. It is Will. I'm a Platinum 2000 leader for our investment team, and I'm super excited to show you all today how to actually transfer money from your old broker account, which is KLT Forex, into your new broker account, which is actually FX Choice. So our new team has moved to FX Choice because we've started experiencing a little bit of issues with KLT Forex. I personally still like them, but I'm going to show you all how to actually move that money. So essentially what's happening, and I want to give you a little bit of backstory. Whenever you're taking money from something, you're always going to be withdrawing. And whenever you're putting money into something, you're going to be depositing, okay? And so in this case, because we're taking money from KLT Forex, we're going to actually create a withdrawal request, and then we're going to deposit that money into FX Choice. So I'm going to physically show you all how to do that from your cell phone. And as I said before, and if I haven't said this, you can do all of this from your cell phone. So I'm going to go ahead and start by sharing my screen. Should pop up in a few seconds here. All right, perfect. Now that you can see my screen, I'm actually going to take us over to FX Choice first. So you're going to start with FX Choice, and you're always going to actually create the deposit request first, because your deposit request is actually going to give you exactly, it's going to allow you to actually deposit that money. So you're going to click deposit and scroll down and actually click on deposit in Bitcoin now. So then you're going to select the actual account that you want that money to go to. In this case, it's going to be our classic variable account through FX Choice. And then you're going to actually type the amount in Bitcoin. So I have around 60 bucks in this account, which is going to be in Bitcoin. And I'm going to tell you exactly what that is right now. So $60 converted to Bitcoin, and this is something you might have to actually Google on your phone just a little bit. It doesn't have to be the exact amount because this is just a deposit request. So if you make a deposit request for $1,000, but you only send over $60, they're actually only going to put $60 into your account. So it doesn't really matter what you put here, but because I know that 0.0063 is actually equivalent to about the amount of money that I have in that account. So then I'm going to click done. And then I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, the approximate amount says 60 USD. Then I'm going to scroll down and actually select the box where it says you're going to agree to the Bitcoin deposit risk, and then click submit. And then I'm going to confirm this transaction request because it's just a request. And then I'm actually going to copy that address right there. So I'm going to click and hold on that and make sure I scroll all the way over using the right little kind of cursor thing exactly to get that full link. Click copy. And then I'm going to head on over to KLT Forex. And this is where we'll actually create that withdrawal request. So on KLT Forex right here. So the first thing you actually have to do is get the money out of your account. So we're going to actually create an internal transfer here. So I'm going to click the top 3 lines in the left-hand corner. I'm going to click internal transfer. And then we're going to select MetaTrader 4 or MT4 to wallet. And then we're going to select the account that we actually want to take money from. So that money that we want to take from is actually going to be there, and you'll see that specific amount, which was actually $40. So ignore that I said 60 before. And then we're going to select to wallet. So we want this money to actually go into the upper upper right hand corner. So we're going to select USD because our money is going to be in USD. Unless you live in a different country, then it would be something different. And then the amount to transfer is going to be the exact amount in that account that we want to actually take out. So we're going to take out the full $40.58. All right. And now we're going to click request to transfer. Having a little bit of technical difficulties here. You don't, we're not, there we go. We don't need to type the $. There we go. Make sure you all type the exact amount and never put a $, because that actually can cause a little bit of an issue. The numbers is perfect. And now you can see you get a confirmation email that you've transferred money out of your MetaTrader 4 live account and back into your USD wallet. So now, as you can see, if I swipe that email up, in that upper right-hand corner, you can see that there's $40.58 sitting in my USD wallet. So now I'm going to commence a process called a withdrawal, because now I'm taking money from KOT Forex and I need to move it somewhere else. So I'm going to withdraw these funds and actually send it to that address that we copied earlier on in our video from FX Choice. So I'm going to click those top 3 lines in the left-hand corner, and I'm going to actually select withdraw. And now that I've selected withdraw, the wallet that I'm going to take from, in this case, is going to be USD. And then you can see that amount. And then there, the withdrawal type is always going to be Bitcoin in this case, unless you want to deposit in other ways through other brokers. And then the amount is going to be $40.58. And then you're going to click request withdrawal. And so what happens is we're going to be directed to a payments page where it's going to ask for that withdrawal address. At that withdrawal address is when you're going to actually paste that address that you got from FX Choice. So now that you've pasted that address, we're going to click the withdraw $40.58 USD, and it's going to actually send that money right on over into your FX Choice account. This is how you actually transfer broker to broker. Once again.